Duolingo versus MemBot, how to choose or use them. Both Duolingo and MemBot are great language learning platforms, but they cater to different styles and needs. Choosing between them depends on your learning goals and preferences. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Duolingo *strengths gamified approach Duolingo uses a game-like interface with levels, points, and streaks to keep you motivated and engaged. Structured curriculum Duolingo offers a clear and structured path for learning a language, progressing through grammar and vocabulary lessons step by step. Free version Duolingo has a robust free version with plenty of content and features. Variety of exercises Duolingo offers a mix of exercises, including reading, writing, speaking, and listening, for well-rounded learning. Large community Duolingo has a large and active community of learners, which can be motivating and helpful. Weaknesses can be repetitive the gamified approach can feel repetitive, especially for advanced learners. Limited speaking practice Duolingo focuses primarily on reading and writing, with limited opportunities for speaking practice. Sentences can be unnatural some of the sentences used in Duolingo can be unnatural or impractical for real-life conversations. Limited grammar explanation Duolingo doesn't always provide detailed explanations of grammar concepts. MemBot strengths focus on conversation MemBot prioritizes real-world conversations with AI bots using the language you're learning. Personalized learning MemBot adapts to your individual learning pace and needs, adjusting the difficulty and topics covered. Memorable content MemBot uses mnemonic techniques and spaced repetition to help you remember vocabulary and grammar effectively. Flexible subscription MemBot offers a flexible subscription model with different tiers for various needs. Immersive experience MemBot creates a more immersive learning experience by simulating real-world conversations. Weaknesses limited free version MemBot's free version is quite limited, and most features require a paid subscription. Less structured learning MemBot doesn't have a fixed curriculum, which might feel unstructured for some learners. No gamification MemBot lacks the gamified elements of Duolingo, which can make it less appealing for some users. Relies on AI bots while MemBot's AI bots are good for conversation practice, they may not provide accurate feedback or explanations like human tutors. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner, enjoy gamification, and prefer a structured learning path, Duolingo might be a good starting point. If you're more advanced, prioritize speaking practice, and want a personalized and immersive learning experience, MemBot might be a better option. You can also use both platforms. Consider using Duolingo for its gamified structure and MemBot for its conversational practice. Ultimately, the best way to choose is to try both Duolingo and MemBot and see which one you prefer. Both platforms offer free trials, so you can test them out and decide which one works best for your learning style and goals.